Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to fix Messenger chat it's not showing on your mobile phone. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and update your Messenger application. This may be because of not updating your Messenger application too. So once you do that, go back to your Messenger application and then click on that three menu bar and then click on settings. Once you do that, you will be appear with several options. Now go ahead and there you can see chat heads. Simply enable it. Once you do it, the problem will be fixed. And that's all guys. This is how easily you can fix Messenger chat it's not showing on your mobile phone. If you found the video to be helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.